Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we'll be starting with question number 4 of exercise 14.3. So we have done question number 1, 2 and question number 3 as well. So starting with question number 4. Question number 4 says divide as directed. So we have to divide the expressions. And the first part is 5, 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So this is our first part. जब भी हमें कुछ भी डिवाइड करना होता है any expression whether it be monomial, binomial, trinomial, we write it in fractional form first. So 5, 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2x plus 1 से, राइट. सो अब हमें इसमें ब्रैकेट दिख रहा है जो सेम है 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, तो वो डायरेक्टली यहीं पे ही कट हो जाएगा एंड आवर आंसर विल बी 5 into 3x plus 5. So this is our final answer. So this was a very easy question, writing the expressions in fractional form and then we can cut the same bracket. और अगर कुछ बाहर भी होता तो वो भी हम 5 से कट कर सकते हैं, right? So this was the first part of question number 4. Moving on to part number 2. Now, moving on to the second part. Second part of question number 4 is 26xy x plus 5 into x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x y minus 4. So again we have two expressions जिसको हमें divide करना है. So we'll write it in fractional form first. So 26xy x plus 5 y minus 4 upon 13x y minus 4. So now we can cut the terms जो bracket के बाहर हैं या फिर जो bracket same है. So y plus y minus 4 y minus 4 exactly cut. X से x cut. 13 2s are 26. So we are left with 2y x plus 5. So this is our answer. 2y x plus 5 is our answer. Okay, so this was the second part of question number 4. Writing in the fractional form and then we can cut the same brackets or the numbers जो भी brackets के बाहर हैं. So this was the second part. Now moving on to part number 3. Now moving on to the third part. So the third part of question number 4 is 52 PQR into P plus Q, Q plus R, P plus Q, Q plus R and R plus P divided by 104 PQR, 104 PQ, not R, 104 PQ, Q plus R, R plus P. So again we'll write it in fractional form. 52 PQR, P plus Q, Q plus R and R plus P upon 104 PQ, Q plus R and R plus P. So now we'll observe कि हम कट क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. We can cut the same brackets and we can cut the numbers and terms जो भी bracket के बाहर है. So Q plus R, R plus P, R plus P cut and PQ से PQ cut. So 52 ones are 52, 52 twos are 104. So यहाँ पे बचा R, 1/2 तो है. Then R, P plus Q is the answer. 1/2 R into P plus Q because यहाँ से R left है. See, this R is left, 2 is left and this bracket is left. P plus Q. बाकी सब कुछ कट हो गया. Okay. So this was the third part of question number 4 and our answer is 1/2 into R, P plus Q. Okay. Moving on to part number 4 now. Now moving on to the fourth part. So the fourth part of question number 4 is 20y plus 4 y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5y plus 4. Again writing this in fractional form. 20y plus 4 y square plus 5y plus 3 upon 5 into y plus 4. So again we have nothing is common from this bracket also. So simply हम 5 4s are 20 कर देंगे and y plus 4 cut. So we'll get 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 as our final answer. So very easy question, children. Question number 4 is very easy. Okay, so this was the fourth part of question number 4. Now moving on to the last part of question number 4. Moving on to the fifth part of question number 4 now. So the fifth part of question number 4 is it is x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So again, very easy question. We'll write this in fractional form. x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So x से x cut, x plus 1 से x plus 1 cut. So our answer is x plus 2, x plus 3. This is our फाइनल आंसर, बिकॉज अब हम इसका और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, नीचे तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं जिससे हम कर करें. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज आवर फिफ्थ पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 14.3 also. Now only question number 5 is left that we will be discussing in our next video. So stay tuned for my next video. In that video, we will be starting with question number 5, ending question number 5, and exercise 14.3 would be also clear. Okay, so I'm signing up here. I'll be coming up with another video. Till then, stay tuned, and if you have any problem, any doubt, please write in our comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.